Hey, if you've ever felt overwhelmed by endless customer messages, missed leads, or the constant grind of repeating the same conversations over and over, today's video is going to change the way you think about sales forever. Because I'm going to show you how to build AI agents for sales automation using synthetic AI, a next-generation system that doesn't just reply, it talks, understands, engages, and actually converts conversations into paying customers. So grab your coffee, sit tight, and let's dive in. Let's be real. As business owners, marketers, or creators, our inboxes are flooded every single day. Facebook Messenger, website chat, DMs, emails. It never stops. And here's the kicker. Most of those conversations never turn into sales. Why? Because we can't reply fast enough, we're busy, or we simply can't be everywhere at once. And sure, chatbots exist, but let's be honest, they're robotic, they don't connect, and they definitely don't close deals. That's the real problem. Now imagine this. Every single message you receive is instantly handled by an AI that talks like you, responds like you, and knows how to move conversations toward a sale. That's exactly what synthetic AI does. It's not just another chatbot. It's your human-like AI agent that engages naturally, builds trust, and converts automatically, 24/7, without you lifting a finger. Here's why synthetic AI is a game changer. Smart response engine. It doesn't just reply, it understands intent, adapts tone, and makes conversations feel real. Instant integration. Works directly inside Facebook Messenger, on your website, or even through a shareable link. 3-step setup. Create, train, and deploy. No coding, no developers, no headaches. Built-in CRM. Every lead, every conversation, every interaction is tracked so you can follow up and close more deals. Customizable personality. You set the tone, style, and knowledge base so your AI talks exactly like you. This isn't about automation for the sake of automation. It's about creating conversations that convert. So, how can you use this? If you're a business owner, your AI agent handles customer queries instantly and turns visitors into buyers. If you're a marketer, you capture leads, answer questions, and close sales automatically. If you're a freelancer or agency, you can create AI agents for clients and charge $500, $1,000, even $2,000 plus per setup. And if you're in local business, restaurants, coaches, real estate, e-commerce, synthetic AI gives you speed, and speed equals sales. Everyone needs this because today, the faster you respond, the faster you sell. Here's the bigger opportunity. Synthetic AI isn't just a tool, it's a business model. You can package and sell AI agents as a service. Imagine setting up agents for local businesses who are desperate for faster responses and charging premium fees for it. That's recurring income built on automation with zero technical barriers. And the best part? Synthetic AI is available right now at a one-time price. No monthly fees, no hidden costs, and you're protected with a 30-day money-back guarantee. So there's zero risk and unlimited potential. So, the question is simple. Will you keep replying manually, missing leads, and losing sales? Or will you let synthetic AI do it for you, faster, smarter, and 24/7? If you're ready to build your own AI agents for sales automation, click the link below and get started today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more actionable strategies, and share this with someone who needs to automate their sales. Until next time, keep innovating, keep automating, and keep closing those deals.